This is part of the May Branch drainage system. It flows from the south side of town to the Arkansas River. But people who live in this neighborhood say whenever it rains, they're worried their homes could flood.
It's like right here. It got that high this last time. It usually gets right up to where the vents are. It goes under the house. Well, the water comes right through here.
For some people in Fort Smith, flooding is nothing new.
It's bull. I'm ready to go back to California. This was my retirement place. My wife's in a rest home here. But
just thinking about his home flooding leaves him speechless.
Every time we get heavy rain, we just flood it out.
Neighbors keep appliances on cinder blocks because their garage always floods.
This is a new deep freezer. I had to replace it back in May.
The city is constantly cleaning out storm drains. Some are more than a century old. They can't handle a lot of rain in a short amount of time.
At this time of year is the worst time of year that you can have this because all the leaves are coming off the trees and they clog up the inlets and the pipes and in turn causes more flooding.
we get it bad.
It gets old. City needs to come out and do something.
Now the work you see going on is for the sewer system and nothing to do with flooding. For years, the city has tried to get federal funds to help fix the drainage system, but as of right now, that has not happened. Live in Fort Smith, Brett Rains, 4029 News.